Features of iPhone 16 Pro Max. Display 6.9-inch. Design titanium with textured matte glass back. Chip A18 Pro. 6-core CPU, 6-core GPU, 16-core neural engine. Eye camera 48 megapixel fashion. Optical zoom 0.5x, 1x, 2x, 5x. Battery life 33 hours video playback. Connectivity USB-C. Finish desert titanium, natural titanium, white titanium, black titanium. Guys, please subscribe my channel para update kayo lagi sa mga videos ko. Salamat po.